Welcome to Sipnayan Go at ang gagawin natin ngayon ay n term of an arithmetic sequence. So, intro. Finding the n term of an arithmetic sequence ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang mga dapat na alam natin para kunin ang n term ng isang arithmetic sequence? Okay? So, ito ang kailangan natin malaman or kailangan natin reviewin so that we can find the n term of arithmetic sequence. Number 1, alam natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence. And marunong tayo mag-identify kung ano nga bang or kung ang isang given ay isang arithmetic sequence. Number 2. So, yung first term and yung notation ng first term natin which is a sub 1. Then, para masabi na ang isang sequence ay arithmetic sequence, we have the common difference. And we know the variable that we are using for the common difference, which is d. And yung variable na ginagamit natin for the number of terms and kung ilang terms yung kailangan natin para sa isang arithmetic sequence, which is the variable n. Now, alam na natin kung ano yung mga kailangan natin for getting the n term of arithmetic sequence. So, ano nga ba or paano nga ba kunin ang n term ng isang arithmetic sequence? So, the formula of an arithmetic sequence or for the n term of an arithmetic sequence is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, yung mga ibang variables is alam na natin kung ano yung mga yon. And ang nandagdag lang dito is yung a sub n, which denotes the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So, yung a sub n is the nth term. Yun nga yung sinabi ko. Then, a sub 1 is the first term. Then, n is the number of terms. And d is the common difference. Okay? So, given the formula, So, yun. So, yan yung formula for our n term of an arithmetic sequence. So, let's have some examples and apply the formula. Number 1. We're going to find the a sub 17 of an arithmetic sequence if a sub 1 is equal to 28 and d is equal to 10. So, paano nga ba natin kukunin yung n term ng arithmetic sequence or the a sub 17? So, number 1 is kailangan natin alam natin na ang given ay arithmetic sequence. Okay? Or verify muna natin kung ang given ay arithmetic sequence. And since stated naman sa problem na ang given ay arithmetic sequence, so we can use or apply the formula. Now, so to solve this one, let us first write the given. So, to properly answer this one, write the given. So, we know that we are looking for the a sub 17. Okay? Then, we have the a sub 1, which is 28. So, since a sub 1 binanggit nga, that is the first term. We also have the d, which is the common difference, and the value is 10. Now, one requirement is yung n, the number of terms. So, saan natin makikita yung n? So, it is on the subscript of the a sub n. Okay? Or the nth term. So, yung n there is 17. So, the value of n is 17. Now, that we have the details on finding the n term of an arithmetic sequence, we can now apply this to the formula. So, we make our solution. So, the formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, replace the variable by their values. So a sub 17, that's what we are looking for. A sub 17 is equal to a sub 1 is 28. Then plus the number of terms is 17 minus 1. Then multiply this by 10. So continuing, we have 28 plus 16 times 10. So M-DAS rule tayo. So we know that M-DAS, inuuna yung multiplication. So 28 muna, and then multiply 16 times 10, that will give us 160. So adding the two, 28 plus 160, we have 188. So our a sub 17 is 188. We can also say that the 17th term of the given arithmetic sequence is 188. So that is our example number 1 for finding the n term of an arithmetic sequence. Another example. So we have the given a sub 1 is equal to 13 and d is equal to 4 of an arithmetic sequence. We're going to find a sub 6. So in these details, it's also mentioned that the given is an arithmetic sequence, and taking note of a sub 1, that's the first term, which is 13 and d is equal to 4. So again, to properly solve this one, we write the given. So the given is a sub 1, which is 13. Then we have d is equal to 4, which is the common difference. Then we have a sub 6, that's what we are looking for. So question mark yung lagay natin. Now again, yung n. So yung n is, we can find n, or the value of n, dun sa subscript ng n term ng arithmetic sequence. Okay? So the subscript of the given a sub 6 is 6. So the value of n is 6. Again, we can now apply this, or we can now apply the formula. So again, we do the solution. Writing again the formula, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then again, replace the variable by their values. We're looking for a sub 6. Our a sub 1 is 13. Plus, we have 6 minus 1. The common difference is 4. So, continuing. So, M-DAS tayo. Yung operation inside the parenthesis muna ang unahin natin. So, we have 13 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 4. So, continuing, M-DAS pa rin. We have multiplication. So, 13 plus 5 times 4, that will give us 20. So, 13 plus 20, that will give us 33. So, the sixth term of the given arithmetic sequence is 33. Or a sub 6 is 33. So, that is our second example for finding the n term of an arithmetic sequence.